In front of me is iPhone 16i, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Passwords app and entering your current passkey. Now select All or Passkey here and find your password you wish to get rid of. Finally, hit Edit at the top right corner and choose Delete. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!